morning, guys. So as you see around me, it is snowing. It is like a couple feet up there, but so today we are working on our lovely wooden bench. I started it like 2 videos ago. We did do a lot of progress off camera, but now it's the detailed parts of it that is what we're gonna be tackling today. And yeah, even though it's cold, I need to get this done. I really want to get this done before the end of the month, which is in like 2-3 days. So yeah. So this is what it's looking like. So, you know, the seat part is just now the detailed legs that need to be sanded off. So, we got ourselves a sander. My lovely dad gifted it to me. So, I flipped it over. The seat, obviously there's no black on here because of the seat. I'm not really gonna sand that part because nobody's gonna see under the bench. So I have other legs that I need to sand. Oh my god, I got so much this like so much sand in here. Hey guys, so I just took a quick break from the cold. So as you see, I did this half. Now I gotta do this half. Clearly there is some spots that it's just really hard to take off with this specific sander. So I think I'm just gonna have to like sand by hand to get those like as best as I can. But yeah, so I don't mind it like having like a little bit of like black here and there or like a little darker spots because you know it makes it, you know, gives it character and whatnot. So yeah, so we are going to start this side right now. Guys, so this, I flipped it over and I did like the front part, and this is how it's looking so far. If you look, you know, obviously like the nooks and the crannies are like really hard to take out, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that properly. But so far, so good. Good morning, guys. So today it's a new day. It is snowing, and the last clip that you saw about this bench was the last time I worked on it, and it's been a week, so it hasn't been long, but I am deciding to keep it the way it is. It's not like, you know, there's still black shading like around the detailed legs, but I decided to just leave it the way it is right now. I kind of like it because it kind of does give you like an antique vibe to it. So I cleaned up the bench and I put it at its new home. I do plan on staining it, but I'm not gonna do right now because I have a lot of wood tones in my house, like so many. So I kind of want to get that situated before staining it. So yeah, so whenever I do stain it, you guys will obviously know in one of my future videos. So yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna look at this bench.